across the front here on the top of the radiator, we're going to go ahead and remove our plastic buttons. Use your pry tool and pop these out. What we're going to do is we're going to pull up on the trim piece and the grill a little bit. I'm going to use a long Phillips head screwdriver, and right here, I'm going to go ahead and remove this screw. Once we get that one out, we'll repeat on the driver's side. On the corner edge of the bumper where it goes up to the fender, there is a Phillips head screw right here. Use your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw. Repeat for the driver's side. Now in the lower part of the wheel liner and the bottom corner of the bumper, there are these plastic lock tabs. You're going to use your trim tool. You want to go ahead and pop these. Now ours have already been separated, kind of broken in there a little bit, so we're going to do our best to save what we have here. Once you get this out, go ahead and repeat for the driver's side. I'm going to come over to the edge of the bumper. I'm going to gently grab the bumper and pull it away, like so. I'm going to work our way around the front, right around to the grill, and all the way to the driver's side. Grab the bumper, pull it straight forward, and set that aside. Using a 12mm socket, I want to go ahead and remove this bolt right here. On the back side, we have our connector. Just press down on this tab. Wiggle the connector off. Take your connector, line that up, press that on. You hear that click. Line up the bracket, put your bolt in. And get that bolt started by hand. And we'll snug that down. And take our bumper, and slide this in. And work this up and over our radiator cap. As we're bringing this up, I want to pay attention to the bumper going underneath. I want to line this up. Working this underneath the lamp. Work this around and get our bumper underneath the fender. I'm going to go ahead and pop this in. Work our way around to the passenger side. Do the same over here. Once this lines up, just tap it into place. We install our plastic buttons here. Work our way right across the top. We've got 4 of those to do. Going to install our screw on the edge of the bumper right here. Once this is in, we'll go repeat for the driver's side.